Question 1. Which inference about castles is best supported by paragraph 2? A. They were intimidating places for villagers to spend time. B. They were often damaged or destroyed during times of war. C. They were designed to be the central defenses against invaders. D. They were created to house and punish dangerous prisoners. Question 2. Part B. Which excerpt from the passage best supports the answer to Part A? A. It is built on the top of a steep hill, and around its walls a deep ditch or moat is dug. At the outer edge of the moat we see a strong fence or palisade of heavy stakes set in the ground. Paragraph 2. B. Here is a castle in France that will suit our purpose. It was built by one of the vassals of William the Conqueror and has been the scene of many sieges and battles. Paragraph 2. C. There we find a great wide room, large enough to hold all the inhabitants of the castle, when the Lord wishes to gather them about him. This is the real center of the castle. Paragraph 3. Within the castle are many people occupying themselves in many ways. In the courtyards are servants and dependents caring for the horses, cooking in the kitchen, and busily engaged in other occupations. Paragraph